Hi friends, welcome back to Osborne Insider. We can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Today, we are looking at a collection of classic corbels. Although each one is unique, they all share similar carved details such as scrolled edges and elegant curves. Our selection includes a wide range of sizes from small decorative pieces to large supporting posts. One of our smaller classic corbels is part 821126, which has a 4.5-inch height and is great for adding decorative touch to your shelving, countertops, and more. Mid-sized designs like the 891956 offer support for larger projects. We even have extra large corbels if you would like to make this classic carved design a centerpiece of your interior. Check out one of our island height designs, part 1405, which is 36 inches tall and offers plenty of support for your kitchen island build. All of our wooden corbels are standard to 150 grit before leaving our facility. There are several wood species available, including stain and paint grade options. This makes it easy to customize the corbel so that it fits the aesthetic of your home. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.